In this video, I'm going to share with you how to open a real account on XM. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go and log into your XM account. Then go to demo here at the top. Okay, click on it and you will see this sidebar. Now we have here demo and we have real. So click on real, then click on this plus icon here, new account. Click on real account and you have to choose MT5 or MT4, MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. So for me, I will choose MetaTrader 5. Click on continue. Now you have to choose the type of account you want. So for me, I will keep it on standard. Okay, scroll down and you will see here continue. Click on it. We have here the leverage. You can change it if you want. So for me, I will keep it in 1000 to 1. We have here the base currency. You can change it. And we have here the account name. You can also change it if you want. As you can see, click on I declare that I have carefully read and click on continue. Now we have to add a trading account password. Okay. So for me, I will just use my password and click on complete. And now, as you can see, this is our real account here. If you want to go back to demo account, click on it here, click on demo and click on it, as you can see. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.